Suppose a biker on the road is speeding with a speed of 30 km per hour. That is, he covers a distance of 30 km in 1 hour. Now he begins, and in first 1 hour he covered a distance of 30 km. Then in the next hour he again covers a distance of 30 km, and then again the 30 km, and again the 30 km. Friends, here in the first hour he covers a 30 km distance. In the second hour again 30 km distance. In the third 30 km distance. In the fourth hour also he covers a 30 km distance. Means in the first hour he covers 30 km. Second hour he covers 60 km. And in the third hour he travels 90 km. And then he covers 120 km and so on. So friends, here the numbers 30 km, 60 km, 90 km and 120 km. Here we see that there is a difference of 30 km in each consecutive distance. Now we take only the numbers leaving the unit, so that numbers are 30, 60, 90, 120, and it will be like that, so on. Here, can you tell me what is the first number and the common difference? Yes, the first term is 30. In 30, 60, 90, 120 and so on, the first number is 30 and it is denoted by A. And the common difference means the second term minus first term, or third term minus second term, or the fourth term minus third term likewise. And therefore in this case the common difference is 30 and it is denoted by D, and therefore D is equal to 30. Let us take another example. A person who digs 40 meter and charges 100 rupees. For the next 40 meter he takes 1 rupees more. Then for the next 40 meters he takes 1 additional rupees. Then for the next he takes 1 rupees more. So it will be like this: rupees 100 for first 40 meters, then rupees 100 plus 1 for the next 40 meters, then rupees 100 plus 1, that is for next 40 meters, and then rupees 100 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 for the next 40 meter, and it will be so on, and you get the cost as 100, 101, 102, 103 and so on. So friends, here can you tell me what is the first term and the common difference? Here the first term is 100 and the common difference between these two is 1. Therefore A is equal to 100 and D is equal to 1, because 101 and minus 100 will be 1, 102 minus 101 will be 1, 103 minus 102, that will be 1, and therefore the common difference is 1. Friends, can you define arithmetic progression now? Yes. A sequence in which various terms are formed by adding a fixed number D to the previous term is called an arithmetic progression. Then friends, can you tell or write arithmetic progression when the first term is A and the common difference is D? Yes, we can write. It will be A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D and so on. Then Can you tell me the nth term of the AP so formed? Yes, it is Tn, that is nth term, is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Thank you very much, friends, for viewing this introductory part of arithmetic progression.